Go. Memo makes. Now we're gonna go ahead and tap this. We're gonna get us some lubrication, and we're gonna tap. This is aluminum, so it's kind of soft. Probably not the ideal way to do it, but it's gonna work for us. So it being properly lubricated and it being just aluminum, as you can see, it's pretty easy. So we're gonna tap all the way down to the bottom of the hole. You will feel it tighten once it gets to the bottom. Then we'll just back it out. If you feel any crunchiness, back up, clear the chips, and redo it. And we'll bring you back for the insert.